All right, guys, so today for our caterpillar lesson, we're going to do a little bit of review on sorting, and we're going to make some patterns like we've been doing in our number corner for our calendar. So you guys are going to be getting your circles today. You're not going to write your name on it just yet. You're just going to be using your different colored circles to make patterns, like I said, and putting them into groups, just like I did in all those lessons with my shoes, and we decided on different ways that we can make groups. So go ahead, after your teacher gives you your circles, or if you are at home, you can draw your own circles using your markers. You can write it in your notebook. Think about how many circles you would need. You can choose your own colors, okay? So we're just practicing our sorting first. So I think the only way that I can sort these, if I sorted them by their shape, they're obviously all circles, so they would all be in the same group. So I'm going to have to sort them by their colors. Okay, so I have 4 different colors here. So let's see how many would go in each group. So I can have a yellow group, a red group, a green group, and a blue group. So if I look at each of my groups here, okay, I have 1 green, I have 2 red, I have 2 yellow, and 1 blue. Okay, so you guys can sort yours with your name and see how many will go in each group. So some of you guys are going to have a lot of each color. Some of you might only have like 1 or 2 of each color. Since our names are all different lengths, it just kind of depends. So that's why we want to see what everybody has. So I only have 6 here, and I have 6 because I included the one that I'm going to use for my caterpillar's face. I only have 5 letters in my name, but I gave myself an extra one for that face, okay? So go ahead and sort those, see how many you have. You can share with the person across from you or raise your hand and share with your teacher, okay? So that was our sorting. And then I also want to make a pattern with mine. So there's lots of ways that you can make a pattern. We have 4 different colors here, so you can kind of do like our calendar or our number corner. Some of you may not have enough to make a pattern, so you need to be thinking about what would come next in my pattern if I had more circles, and you can tell your teacher that too. So if we take a look at mine, I think I might take just some of my colors. So I'm going to get rid of my green and my blue just for now, and I might say red, yellow, red, yellow. So my pattern is red, yellow, red, yellow. So if I was going to add to this pattern, I could just tell myself, oh, if I was going to add to it, it would be another red and then another yellow. So think about what would come next in your pattern, okay? Then we could do, just say like red, yellow, green, red, yellow. And if this was a pattern, think of right now, what color do you think would come next in my pattern? So I would have another green. So my pattern is red, yellow, green, red, yellow, and then we'd have another green right here. So again, some of you guys are going to have more circles than others, and that's okay. Like I said, you just need to think about what your pattern would look like if you had more. So I could even do my caterpillar that I have. So I've got yellow, red, blue, green, yellow, red, and then I would have blue, green if I had more circles. So that's what you guys are going to be doing today, is just kind of playing around with that and comparing your circles to people around you. And then tomorrow we will start writing our names on these and cutting out some of the legs and the antenna so that we have them ready to put together on Friday, okay? So go ahead and get to work on that. Share with one another what you found and just kind of see what kind of patterns you can make, okay?